In the heart of America's enduring forests, where ancient trees stand as silent witnesses to generations of hard work and quiet determination, there exists a timeless tradition, the family-owned sawmill. For the Breon family, this legacy is evolving. Like many small operations facing a changing market, they're adapting to keep the doors open and the saws running. Gone are the days when rough-cut lumber, raw, rugged boards straight from the saw, was the mainstay. Today's customers, from DIY builders to large contractors, demand convenience. Finished products ready to use without additional milling. That's why the family is pivoting to S4S lumber, surfaced on all four sides, smooth, straight, and precisely dimensioned. This shift means investing in modern planers and finishing equipment, refining their kiln drying process, and streamlining workflows to produce high-quality boards that can ship directly to woodworkers nationwide. Today, we join them in their wood shop, the heart of this transformation. Here, amid the whine of blades and the fresh scent of planed wood, the action is hands-on and purposeful. Sisters Emerald and Jade are particularly busy today, sorting the freshly finished lumber into curated packs, carefully selecting boards by species, grade, and size for the bundles they sell directly on their website, lumbercapital.com. Now, let's hear from Emerald herself, as she shares what this evolution means to her. Growing up in the shadow of the sawmill, embracing change to carry the family legacy forward, and the quiet thrill of connecting their handcrafted wood with makers across the country.
I guess you could say we're a little late to the game with it all. Just now we're really trying to tap into our online market and set up a website and get our name out there so that it's no longer just locals who can buy our lumber, but people all over the nation. And it's been a real shift because for as long as I can remember, customers couldn't even pay with a credit card at our business. It was either cash or check. And now we've seen a real shift for just people wanting to pay with a credit card and wanting to shop online. And I mean, we're having to make the shift just like all the other businesses. Like I said, I think we're a little late to the game with it all. I think a lot of businesses started making this shift a while back, but hopefully we're not too late with it all and we can get lumbercapital.com out there and known so that woodworkers know that it's a place to get their quality lumber.
As Emerald wraps up her candid thoughts on entering the online market a bit later than some, the family's determination shines through, turning potential setbacks into steady momentum. Here in the wood shop, the transformation continues. After the rough boards are carefully milled on the Wood-Mizer LT70 sawmill, the real magic happens in the drying process. Stacks of freshly cut lumber are stickered, spaced with thin strips for airflow, and loaded into the kiln. Over weeks, controlled heat and humidity gently draw out moisture, stabilizing the wood to prevent warping or cracking down the line. This kiln drying step is crucial for producing the consistent, high-quality S4S boards that customers expect. Emerging from the kiln, the dried lumber heads to grading and sorting. Family members inspect each board closely, checking for defects, measuring moisture content, and selecting the best pieces by color, grain, and clarity. Premium figured woods, like spalted maple with its dramatic black lines, rich black walnut, vibrant cherry, or character-filled hickory, are set aside for special packs. As the curated packs come together, each one a carefully selected assortment of kiln-dried hardwoods ready to inspire projects across the country. The pace in the wood shop remains steady and purposeful. Jade, working alongside her sister Emerald, brings her own keen eye to the process, measuring lengths, matching grain patterns, and ensuring every bundle lives up to the family's reputation for quality. It's this attention to detail that sets their online offerings apart, turning simple boards into sought-after materials for woodworkers who value character and craftsmanship. Now, let's hear from Jade herself as she opens up about her role in the family business, the joys and challenges of curating these packs, and what the future holds for their evolving operation at Lumber Capital Log Yard.
Right now, I'm putting together packs to be individually listed online, getting them assorted into the right species and dimensions, and keeping them labeled so we know what the heck we're doing. It's not the most simple task. It has to be, every single pack has to be separated, and then a picture has to be taken of it to be listed, and we need to know what picture goes with what stack of wood, because we're not just pulling from a big pile of cherry or white oak. These are individual packs that we hand put together. That way, the exact same picture you're looking at is the exact board you're getting.
As Jade wraps up her thoughts on curating those unique packs, it's clear that this hands-on approach sets small family operations like Lumber Capital apart in profound ways. In the world of mass-produced lumber from large industrial mills, boards are often commoditized, graded en masse, photographed generically if at all, and shipped in bulk where one piece is much like another. But for a small family business like the Breons, every board demands individual attention because no two are ever truly identical. Natural variations in grain, color, figuring, and character mean each piece must be handled multiple times. Pulled from a stack after planing, inspected closely under good light, measured precisely, and photographed from multiple angles to capture its unique beauty and any natural features.
Everything you're looking at right here has already been separated out into the individual packs and also photographed, so all that's left to do is upload them to the website and get them out for sale. Thankfully, it's only $5 shipping nationwide, so that means that it's no surprise crazy shipping charges when you go to actually check out. And yeah, I hope that it really just, we're able to get our name out there and make lumbercapital.com a known wood supplier to the nation. So right now we have so much quarter sawn lumber that it's amazing. I love all the quarter sawn material that we have that we're getting in. And also another thing I want to do is table legs. I'm milling a bunch of like 2x2, 3x3 stuff that's going in the kiln and that's going to be planed down, perfect for legs of all kinds, all different species. So really it's just everything somebody needs to build a beautiful piece of furniture. And another thing, of course, that we have outside of our hardwoods is our shiplap and tongue and groove, which is why we bought the one machine, the molder planer, was to do our tongue and groove. And that we do mainly out of pine, so it's like knotty pine tongue and groove, really beautiful stuff. But as far as shipping anything in full lengths, like we just ship smaller, shorter boards, and if you want the long stuff, you have to come here for it. So we are really trying to shift to more online, so of course you'll be able to see that we do stock tongue and groove. But yeah, I think that we just need to keep on pushing through, and I think eventually it will pick up and we can really get to moving some material.
As the two sisters, Emerald and Jade, wrap up their workday, tidying the wood shop, securing the last bundles, and watching the final packs roll out toward eager customers, the Breon family's journey at Lumber Capital Log Yard comes to a thoughtful close. From roots in a traditional Pennsylvania sawmill to embracing online sales of unique, kiln-dried hardwoods, they've adapted with grit and care, curating every board with the personal touch that big suppliers can't match. In their hands-on world of individual listings and exact match transparency, the family proves small-scale craftsmanship thrives today, delivering quality, authenticity, and inspiration to makers everywhere, one distinctive board at a time. If you've enjoyed joining the Breon family on this behind-the-scenes look at Lumber Capital Log Yard, please like this video, subscribe for more stories from this small family business, and head over to lumbercapital.com to check out their unique kiln-dried surface 4 sides hardwood packs, each one photographed exactly as you'll receive it. Thanks for watching.